Hello everyone. Suppose you have created a custom field for a document and you are not able to find that custom field while creating the document. So what can be the reason? Let's find it out. Let's go to the settings module. Click on documents. Now scroll down and click on document fields. Now select the document where you are trying to get the custom field. I have selected sales invoice. Here I have added salesperson custom field on my sales invoice, but I am not able to find the same while creating the sales invoice. Now here, take a look at the document currency. It is selected as domestic. I might be creating an export document. So here, as the currency is selected as domestic, this particular custom field is only for the domestic transaction or domestic sales invoice. If you want to create the custom field for foreign currency documents, click on Add Field. And here under Add As, select Foreign. After that, add the relevant details and click on Save. The custom field for the foreign document will be created. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.